Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing SSC previous year's questions. 4 marks questions. 2 marks I have completed in quadratic equations. Now I am doing 4 marks questions. So the first question is find the roots of x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 by completing square method. By completing square method. Now, how will you do this? Completing square method in the sense you have to use the formula of either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So, let us take the equation x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, write it as x square plus 4x is equal to minus 3. So, this is in the form of a whole square plus 2 into a we know x into we don't know b. So we know that 2 into a into b is equal to 4x. This value that is given here is in the form of 2ab. 2 into a is x, here x is there. X can be written as x whole square. That means we know that pretty well here a in the place of a you have x. So I have taken in the place of a x. But in the place of b we don't know what it is. So what I have done, this is a rough work children, in which 2 into a into b is equal to 4x. So I want b. b is equal to 4x by 2x. X will get cancelled, 2 2s are. So I have got b value as 2. That means this can be written as x whole square plus 2 into x into 2 is equal to minus 3. Now here a square plus 2ab is there. If you write b square, it becomes a complete, that is the square of a number you can get. That means you need b square, that is 2 square you want. But 2 square is not there here, so we need to add it. When you are adding anything here, you have to add on the right side also. So on adding 2 square on both the sides. Why are we taking 2 square children? Because we have got b value as 2. So a square plus 2ab plus b square means it becomes a plus b whole square. So we need to get it in the form of a plus b whole square. To make it in the form of a plus b whole square, we are in need of 2 square. But when we are adding 2 square on left side, we need to add it on the right side also. So x whole square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 whole square is equal to minus 3 plus 2 whole square. So I have added this new number on both the sides. So this can be written as x plus 2 whole square is equal to minus 3 plus 4. That means x plus 2 whole square is equal to 1. So what is x plus 2? Is root 1. That means x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 1. So if x plus 2 is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. If x plus 2 is equal to minus 1, then x plus 2 is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 3. So you have got the values of x as minus 1 and minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 or minus 3. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, the second problem, children, here. Shashanka said, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Is a quadratic equation. Is a quadratic equation. Do you agree? The question is it possible? So, let us take x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3 is the problem. That is x square plus 2x plus 1, a square plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into x, 2x plus 1 whole square is 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. So, x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. X square plus 7 is equal to 0. So, we'll say that this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You may have a doubt, children. There is no x coefficient. Then why did you consider it like this? It is because in case if b is equal to 0, you will not be having x. That is why there is no x. But it is a quadratic equation. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. So, therefore, I agree with the given statement. So, this is the complete answer for the problem given to you, children. Please write. Next, we will see third problem. Third problem is write the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So, you have to write a quadratic equation with this. Roots they have given, that means they have given alpha is equal to 2 plus root 3 and beta is equal to 2 minus root 3. So, what is the quadratic equation? The quadratic equation is x square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is the general equation. So first you write alpha plus beta. The alpha is 2 plus root 3 plus beta 2 minus root 3. Plus root 3 minus root 3 will get cancelled. 4 you are getting. So alpha plus beta is equal to 4. Now alpha into beta, that is 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square, that is 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. So we have got alpha beta is 1, alpha plus beta is 4. So therefore the quadratic equation is x square minus x into alpha plus beta, we got 4, plus alpha beta is 1 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the answer, children. So go through it. Write down. Now we will see the fourth question. Fourth question. Without calculating the roots of x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, explain the nature. Explain the nature of the roots. So, given quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So, to know the nature of equations, find out what is b square minus 4ac is. b is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 into 6. That is 25 minus 24, 1. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So, therefore, the roots are real and unequal. The roots are real and unequal. Children, this is the problem. Copy it. Fifth problem, children. If k square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0 has equal roots, find the value of k. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. It has equal roots. That means what? This implies b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. It has equal roots. This implies b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k and c is 6 is equal to 0. That is 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. So in these two, 4k is common. So k minus 4, 6 are 24. 6. K minus 6. K I have already taken. So 4 into k minus 6 is equal to 0. 4k it is. 4k. So if 4k is equal to 0, then k is equal to 0 by 4, that is equal to 0. Now, if k minus 6 is equal to 0, then k is equal to 6. Therefore, k is equal to 0 or 6 is the answer for this problem. Please copy it. Now, we will see the sixth problem. Is it possible to design? Is it possible to design a rectangular garden? A rectangular garden whose length is twice its breadth. Whose length is twice its breadth and area is 200 square meters. If so, find its length and breadth. This is the question, children. There is a rectangular garden. Let this is B, this is L. Now let B is equal to x meters. So B value is x meters. Then what is L? What they say, sorry, length is twice the breadth. L is equal to twice the breadth, 2x. 2x meters. What is area they have given? 200 square meters. That means what, children? L into B. We know that L into B is equal to 200. What is L? 2x. Into B is x is equal to 200. 2x square is equal to 200. What is x square? 200 by 2. That is 100. X square is equal to 100. That means x is equal to root 100. That is plus or minus 10. Now since values should be taken as 10 only because it is a length. So therefore we have to consider x as a 10 only. We will not take negative 10. We will take only positive 10 because these are the lengths of the sides. So if x is equal to 10, we will say that breadth is equal to 10 meters. Length is equal to 2 into 10, 20 meters. Therefore, it is possible to design a rectangular park or garden. It is a rectangular garden with the given measures. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy. Now, seventh problem. The sum of a number and its reciprocal is 10 by 3. Find the number. Let the number is equal to x. So what is its reciprocal? Reciprocal is 1 by x. According to problem, what does the problem says? X plus 1 by x is equal to 10 by 3. So take LCM here. X square plus 1 is equal to 10 by 3. That means 3 into x square plus 1 is equal to 10x. So you are getting 3x square plus 3 is equal to 10x. That means 3x square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now splitting the middle term. 3 3s are 9x square. 9x is, you have to multiply these two. 9x square should have two factors in such a way that if you add you should get minus 10. If you multiply you should get 9. So if I write minus 9 and minus 1, minus into minus plus, 9 ones are 9. 9x and 1x. So 9x square. If I add minus 9x plus minus 1x, I am going to get minus 10x. So 3x square minus 9x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. So 3x into x minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0 if 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, then 3x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 3. If x minus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is the number. We can say that x value is 3. Okay. If you want to take, you can take 1 by 3. These two are the answers. So I done this, children. Now, eighth problem. If 9x square plus kx plus 1 is equal to 0 has equal roots, find the value of k. So given quadratic equation is 9x square plus kx plus 1 is equal to 0. It has equal roots. What does this implies? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So b square, k square minus 4 into 9 into 1 is equal to 0. K square minus 36 is equal to 0. K square is equal to 36. K is equal to root 36. That means plus or minus 6. So k is equal to 6 or minus 6 is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy. Now, ninth problem. If the present ages of A and B, if the present ages of A and B are in the ratio of, are in the ratio of 9:4 and 7 years and 7 years and 7 years hence, the ratio of their ages, the ratio of their ages is, the ratio of their ages will be ages will be 5:3. Then then find their present ages. So what did they give? A is to B is equal to 9:4. Let the present age of A is equal to what you will take? 9 means 9x, and the present age of B is equal to 4x. Okay, 7 years hence. So 7 years later, hence means later, A's age will be 9x plus 7 years, and B's age will be 4x plus 7 years. But what did they give? Their ratio is given as 5:3. Therefore, according to problem, 9x plus 7 is to 4x plus 7 is equal to 5:3. So we know that product of means is equal to product of extremes. So 3 into 9x plus 7 is equal to 5 into 4x plus 7. That is 27x plus 21 is equal to 20x plus 35. So 27x minus 20x is equal to 35 minus 21. 7x is equal to, this is 14. So x is equal to 14 by 7, that is x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 we have got. That means, therefore, A's present age, therefore, A's present age is equal to, there's a 9x, no? That is equal to 9 into 2, 18 years. B's present age is equal to, how much we have got? 4x. 4 into 2, 8 years. So these are the answers, children. So please copy it. So with this, I'm stopping today's class, children. In the next class, I'll be doing the next topic.